Good morning. Ooh, almost knocked my coffee, my tray over. That would have been good. Good morning. It's Friday. And so you're like, what are you doing on right now? You're a teacher. You should be in Abingdon. Yeah, I took today off so I could go up and see my sister. She had surgery Tuesday, and so I took the day so I could go hang out with her and help take care of her. So let's talk minking, okay? Do you know what minking is? Hey, Molly. Do you know what minking is? It's one of these new things that has come out that, hey, Papa, that is taking over lashes. Hey, Shauna. It's when you use two different colors of mascara to give the illusion that your eyelashes are way longer. So I just got the Purple Epic. This comes in this month's Kudos. You can buy it separately or you can get it in the Kudos. And the Kudos this month is any mascara, any liner. I can't remember what the rest is in. Oh my gosh. Any liquid lipstick, which is right. Any liquid lipstick. Now there are anniversary colors available, so and then you get our makeup remover, our eye makeup remover, which you can use all over your face. It doesn't have to just be your eyes. But so that's the Kudos this month. But I wanted to show you how to mink, in particularly, and I just got the purple, so I wanted to show you the purple with minking. So I'm going to use a black waterproof Epic on the ends, but I'm going to do the minking, the main part of the minking with the purple, which is so pretty, okay? So when you do minking, you want to put the lighter color on first. I mean, you can flip-flop it if you want. It doesn't have to be just one way, but basically you want to put the lighter color on first, all over your lashes, like you would normally put on mascara. I worked to school yesterday and I had to tell people I had it on. They didn't even notice. So it's not in your face unless you make it in your face purple. It's just kind of fun. So it's the same formula as a regular Epic. It's just this really pretty purple. Can you see that? I'm trying to remember if I ever bought colored mascara back in the day. I used to wear brown, but I don't know that I've ever done like a color. Good morning. So we're putting on some purple, and I'm going to show you in just a minute how to, hey Lori, how to mink. So we're using the purple as our base color, and then we're going to mink using another color, the black waterproof Epic. And I just use the waterproof because I enjoy the way it makes my eyelashes look. It's almost, I compare it to the 3D lashes without the fibers in them. It makes my lashes, I feel like, thicker maybe? I'm not sure. I just really like it. To each his own. But I will never stop wearing Epic of any kind, regardless if it's purple, waterproof, or just regular black Epic. I love it. So we're using the purple today, and oh, I got a little bit on my face there. You guys, my eyelids have gotten so puffy. It's hard for me not to get this all over my eyelid. And my eye doctor says it's because I have allergies, and underneath I have bumps and stuff underneath my eyelids from allergens in the air. So I'm supposed to take special eye drops, but my insurance won't cover the eye drops. So I guess I'll just deal with puffy eyelids. So it's Friday, you guys, and I am so excited it's Friday. I almost left school yesterday and not even had my sub stuff ready. Completely forgot. I'm like, wow, that's not good. Gotta have that sub stuff ready. So I'm gonna put another coat of Epic on the purple before I mink, okay? If you have not tried Epic, I don't know why you haven't. You need to try it. You need it in your life. A lot of my girlfriends have been minking with the brown first, and then they put black on the ends, and they really like the way it makes the illusion of their, now granted they have long lashes anyway, but it really makes their eyelashes look longer. So there's 2 coats of Epic versus 1 coat of the purple, and it's not overwhelmingly purple, you guys. It's really pretty subtle purple. Hey Kristen, good morning. I practiced minking yesterday, but I wasn't really thrilled with it because I did it opposite, and I think I needed to do it differently. So we're gonna try it this way today. Okay, so there's 2 coats of regular purple Epic, okay? Now we're gonna mink with the waterproof. So when you mink, you're gonna go from mid-lash up, or maybe just the tips with the darker color, okay? Now if you need to, we have a really great comb brush thing. You can go through the ends of your lashes to separate them if you need to. And what makes ours different is that the comb is metal, so it will go right through those lashes. All right, so let's get some black on there and see what happens. Hello. Do you see the difference right now? Holy crap. I'm like in amazement right now. My lashes never look like this. Oh my goodness. Hello, minking. I think I'll do you every day. This is incredible. This is why mascara was invented, people. Right here. Hey Angela, we're minking with the purple mascara. What do you think? Can you tell a difference? Non-minking, minking. My obsession has started. Absolutely. So when you mink, you put your regular coat of mascara on, and a lot of times you want to put the lighter on first. Hey Vanessa, put your lighter on first, and then you're going to come back and put the darker on just the ends, or mid-lash up. Hey, thanks for hopping on. Holy lashes, Batman. I don't even know if I'll be able to wear my glasses today because lately they've been touching my glasses and these are uber long. I don't know if I'll be able to. What a problem to have, right? Long lashes. Okay, so that was minking. We put the purple on first. I put 2 coats of purple Epic on, and then I put 1 coat of black waterproof just on the ends, like mid-lash up. And look at these lashes. They're incredible. Like, for me, this is uber long. Very, very long, okay? So this comes in the kudos this month, and I can't stress, you guys, this is ridiculous. You need the kudos. You get your choice of mascara. You can get purple, you can get black, you can get brown, you can get waterproof. There's 4 kinds to pick from. There's also an anniversary color of Splash lipstick, which goes with the purple. This is not it. I do not have it. But you get the, I can't cut straight with that. You get your choice of Splash liquid lipstick, and I am in love with the anniversary color. I just haven't gotten it. Your choice of an eyeliner, lip liner, any liner that you want. And I used Proper underneath my waterline this morning, and that helps with getting your eyelashes to look as fabulous as mine do right now. And then you get a cleansing stick, you guys, and this is a must-have too, especially if you've got sensitive eyes. This is really good to get your eye makeup off so you don't have to tug and scrub on your eyes. Okay, all this for $69. It's this month's kudos, and you can get all the anniversary colors. They're exclusive. And the purple mascara, you guys, is almost sold out. This is an exclusive. It's probably not going to come back. I'm not going to say that for sure, but it's an exclusive. So get it while you can, because I'm not sure what's going to happen, if they're going to bring it back or not. So just to let you know, minking is the bomb, okay? So if you have any questions about any of the things I talked about this morning, or you are interested in any of those things, hey Angel, please comment below and I would be happy to answer any of your questions, or you may also message me in Messenger, okay? So have a great day, enjoy the minking, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.